Hi guys, I wanted to show you how best to maneuver our course. When you log in and you log into our Algebra 1A course for 1920, this is the homepage for our course that I see. This is where you need to click every single day. This is like walking into the door of my classroom. Now in here, you'll see right here the class announcements. This is very important because it shows you exactly anything that you need to know about our class for the week. And every Monday you will find our week's assignments posted. And after we have our class, I will be posting a recording of our class right there so that in case you are absent from our class, from our live CC for a reason, then you can go and visit right there. Or if you need to go back and watch a class again, all the information will be right there for you. Now in this, you will notice it is broken down day by day. So day 1 will be the orientation, and that's what you're watching right now. There are obviously no graded items due. And the CC recording, after we're finished with with orientation, it will go right there. Now you'll notice that Tuesday and Wednesday, you have one-step equations. That's lesson 1.02. So that's broken up into 2 days. Within the lesson, there's a get ready and learn portion, and then there's a practice portion. So I've broken it up for each of the days, which pieces you should be working on. Thursday and Friday, same thing. It's broken up as learn and practice, and then review and assessment. And then your graded items that are due for the week, on Friday you have a quiz that you need to take. And so you'll see right there in your graded items due column. Now let me show you what this looks like. Back up here at the top, you can either click on this Unit 1 right here, since you know we're going to 1.02, or you can go to the content. Either button will take you to the same location. Sorry, it takes just a second for my screen to load. Okay, now that my screen has loaded, you can see for 1.02 on Tuesday, you're doing the get ready and the learn piece. And then on Wednesday, you're doing the practice piece. And then for 1.03 on Thursday, you're doing the learn and the practice piece. And then on Friday, it's the review and the assessment piece. And it goes on from there. So again, the content button is how you get to the actual content and all of the pieces that you need to work through. Now, sometimes these are going to seem like a lot, like when you look at the number of items that are here, but it's really not, because some of the pieces take you just a few seconds to work through. So it's really not as bad as it might appear. Now back on the home page also, right here in this location is where you will see any CCs, live CCs that you have for the day. I was creating this on a day when we did not have any live sessions. That is why you see nothing right there. But you can go to your sessions for the day by clicking right there. And then over here for upcoming events, when items are due, you will see those posted over here. So that's another way to kind of keep track of what's coming up. And when you log in right here, you will see also in addition to your Class Connect sessions, you will also see your grades. One other thing that might be helpful for you is if you go into course materials right here, course materials, this is where you will find our syllabus, as well as my contact information, my office phone number, my email address. So should you need anything, this is how you can find where to get a hold of me if you don't have my information kept handy. As we go through the course, when we're having to take tests and turn in actual assignments like that you've handwritten on, I'll create another little how-to video to show you how to do that. But for now, the main pieces you need is the content and then clicking in every day and taking a look at your announcements. The first announcement that you should see is your MAP testing. If you have not done your MAP testing last Thursday or Friday, you need to reach out to your advisor and they will get you scheduled for that. So that's all you need for now. Keep on to the next room.